Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy visits flood-hit Kadapa and Chittoor districts, announces financial aid of 12,500 rupees per hectare for flood-affected farmers. A cyclone is likely to hit the coast of North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha on Saturday morning with a wind speed of 100 km per hour. Following the IMD alert, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs a high-level meeting to review preparedness of states to deal with the situation arising out of Cyclone Jawad. Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy appoints special officers in cyclone-prone districts of Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam and Vizianagaram as a preemptive measure. A bench of the National Green Tribunal imposes a penalty of 120 crore rupees for violation of environmental laws in executing the Polavaram project. The tribunal also penalizes the government for violating environmental laws in Purushottapatnam, Pattisima and Chintalpuri lift irrigation schemes. Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy is on a two-day visit to flood-hit regions of Kadapa, Chittoor and Nellore. He inspected the damages caused by the floods and interacted with the victims. He appreciated the efforts of officials and district collectors for handling a crisis of such a magnitude for the last 13 days and tasked them with conducting routine checks. 6 deputy collectors have been instructed to stay stationed at 6 villages and inspect their assigned area every Tuesday and Friday. The Chief Minister also inspected the Annamaya project site and assured villagers that the government will construct houses for the victims. Jagan announced that each farmer will be compensated with 12,500 rupees per hectare of lost and damaged farmland. He said the corresponding list shall be displayed in Gram Sachivalayams. Interacting with the victims in Pullapaturu and Eguva villages, Jagan said steps will be taken to commence NREGS work so that those who are deprived of livelihood can get opportunities to work. When some of the villagers complained that their names did not figure on the list of beneficiaries, Jagan assured them the issue will be rectified by evening. The Chief Minister also said that the Annamaya and Pincha projects will be redesigned. Now, as per the Indian Meteorological Department, a cyclone is expected to head towards the North Andhra Pradesh-Odisha coast on Saturday morning. The IMD informed that the low-pressure region in the Bay of Bengal is expected to intensify into Cyclone Jawad and reach the coast on the morning of December 4 with a wind speed of 100 km per hour. Following the IMD warning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chaired a high-level meeting today to review the preparedness of states, central ministries and the concerned agencies to deal with the situation arising out of the likely formation of the cyclone. The Cabinet Secretary has reviewed the situation and preparedness with Chief Secretaries of all the coastal states, central ministries and agencies concerned. NDRF has prepositioned 29 teams equipped with boats, tree cutters, telecom equipments, etc. in the states and has kept 33 teams on standby. Heavy to very heavy rains are likely in Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam. As a preemptive measure, Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy held a review meeting with district collectors of Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam and appointed special officers in the cyclone-prone districts. The Met Department has issued an orange alert for the 3 North Coastal Andhra districts and a yellow warning for East Godavari district. Now, the principal bench of the National Green Tribunal in New Delhi has slapped a penalty of 120 crore rupees on the state government as environmental compensation for violation of environmental laws in executing the Polavaram project. The tribunal has also directed the state to pay 24.56 crore rupees as environmental compensation for violations in Purushottapatnam lift irrigation scheme, 24.9 crore rupees for violations in Pattisima lift irrigation scheme and 73.6 crore rupees for violations in Chintalpuri lift irrigation scheme. The compensation is to be paid within 3 months to the Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board and should be utilized for restoration of environment under the supervision of an oversight committee comprising members from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Central Pollution Control Board and APPCB. The APPCB has been asked to prepare a plan for remediation in consultation with the Department of Forest within 2 months, after which the plan shall be executed within the next 6 months. With that, it's a wrap. Do follow us on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.